Hi, I'm Sue Walsh.
And I'm Sham Gloria.
And we're here today to talk to you about a new product that's joined our bullet range.
Yes, that's right. So yeah, we've following on from the success of our RO80 Pretties range, we've decided to bring out a new bullet called the 140 Prism.
Yeah.
There's a little bit of a backstory as to the reasons why we've brought that bullet out to the market. So really, it all started off with the Rainbow Bullet. The Rainbow Bullet for us is a fantastic seller, and it has been for many years. In fact, the actual RO80s range itself has been with us for the best part of 18 years. Is that right?
The RO80, it was one of our first products. I mean, it used to power the Rock Chick, which people will remember, and it was used to power that product, and actually as a single SKU product as well. And it's also still responsible for powering some of our sleeve products. Yeah. Even now.
Yeah, definitely. You know, majority of our silicone sleeve products, they come with a removable RO80, either a single speed or a 7-speed bullet. So you can see that over the years the bullet has continued to do really well, and the sales again have been very strong. And with that in mind, we've always wanted to adapt to the different styles, different trends that are going on at the moment, and in the past as well.
And I mean, this is a pocket money, what we would call a pocket money purchase, but there's no reason if something is at what we would term a pocket money price, is that it shouldn't look elegant and pretty.
Yes.
I mean, that's always been the thought process behind that, and I think that's why it's always had very good market traction for ourselves and obviously our customers as well.
Yes, definitely. Yeah, I mean, you know, some people may say that the Pretties are a bread and butter, not only for our range, but their range as well. You know, each bullet, so there's 4 bullets within the range. Each bullet has its own little identity. From the precious rose gold at the end there. Very soft, very
elegant.
Yeah, very elegant.
Easy choice, really good for anybody really. But if you know, first time purchase. For females, it's great. It's easy on the eye.
Yeah,
you know, out of the packaging, you wouldn't know whether it was a pleasure product or not really.
And that's the beauty about it. You know, that product itself, like the others within the range, they can dip in and out of whether it's our industry or the mainstream industry. And you know, we do sell to various different avenues as well.
Yes, we do, and they do equally as well.
Yeah.
And I think that's because, again, like Sham said, you know, when you've got something that works like that, you know, you don't try and break it. What you do is you just add some extra bangs and whistles to it, and it carries on. It carries on working.
It does, and we've kind of, I guess, proven that again with the packaging changes that we've made within this range. Going on to another product within the range, the Colour Me Orgasmic, a little bit different, a little bit special as well. As the name suggests, it does change colour. It starts off in this lovely vibrant purple, and changes with heat, with body heat, to a lovely vibrant pink, and
so it's sort of sexy and fun,
yes,
isn't it? And a little bit different. And again, like we said, you know, for products that are not going to break the bank, you know, it's just something a little bit different, you know, and again, we do it to encourage use, to sort of, you know, gain appeal. And I think all of these products within the range do that, you know, from the packaging to, you know, what we do with them, the different textures, the colourways, and they're just, well, they're perfect really.
They are, definitely. And you know, with the success of those, we've brought out the 140 Prism. So a little bit different. Well, I guess the first difference you can see is the size.
Yeah.
So the RO80, as the name suggests, it's an 80mm bullet, and then you've got the 140, which is a 140mm bullet. Listening to our customers and some feedback that we received, we wanted to bring something out that was a bit more insertable, as well as keeping its elegance and the classy look of the original, or I guess the baby sister of this.
Correct. And also, you know, we've got bullets that range from the RO80s right up to the big 160. But we wanted a product for women who are maybe going through menopause or just had children, to encourage them to engage really again, you know, and there's no reason for products not to look pretty and sensual. And we believe that, you know, Prism does exactly that.
Exactly that, yeah, definitely. And you know, with the few added sort of tweaks that we've made to the new 140. First of all, like you say, the size is the biggest difference. It's got 10 speeds to choose from, so there's a lot more variety for the user. And we've also looked at sort of rounding the tip off as well. So rather than a pinpoint stimulation, you've got more of a softer rounder edge. Again, it eases the customer.
Eases the customer in, and obviously, because we're suggesting that this can be used not just for, well, like all bullets for external stimulation, but for internal stimulation. So because of the elegance of it, the tip's rounded, it's very easy on the eye, so it will encourage use.
Definitely, and I think, you know, the fact that we finished it in this lovely, unique finish, by the way, you know, it just makes it very special, not only for Rocksoft, but for our customers as well.
It does, and the clever thing with this is, you know, even out in the mainstream, you will see there's lots of other products that are using these kind of colourways as well. You know, and once people like that, whether it's knives and forks or glasses, you know, you see, particularly this time of year, champagne flutes. There's no reason why, you know, people, if they like that kind of look, then that's a perfect fit as well, isn't it?
Yeah, that's correct. So, you know, and not only outside of our industry, you know, within the industry as well, you see many companies bringing out butt plugs and various other toys, and they try to, you know, mimic this style and this finish. You know, and again, so if you carry those products, this is
a perfect fit.
Of course,
there you go. Absolutely,
definitely. Yeah. So the 140 Prism will be available from mid-January. So if you have any questions before then, if you're interested in pre-ordering perhaps some of these products, get in touch and let us know.
Absolutely, and I know that the team have already sent information out to customers. And if you do want to know anything, and clearly you've got Bruce's and Sham's email addresses anywhere, but definitely drop us a line. And obviously, like Sham said, products are with you, or can be with you for January?
For January, yeah.
January.